Okay guys, sorry for the delay. I'm doing this video. We're gonna be making some D-bombs. How to make D-bombs at home for cheap. Cheap. Making them for less than $1 a piece. Easily done. It actually goes down in price the longer you make them. So, how you first do it, make baits. You're trying to get into baits, you buy a mold, you buy aluminum cast mold, you buy a do-it injector. What then? You go, you watch videos saying how to recycle. Where do you get the plastic? Well, I got the plastic by asking around in my fishing community and getting all their scraps. I would trade them scraps, like I'd trade them like a 5-gallon bucket of scraps for like 10 baits, 10 to 20 baits, because they weren't going to use them, and I just held them for a while. They got baits out of it, so that's what you could do. Use your own baits that you fished with, you bought from the stores, fished with, didn't like, you just beat them up or you didn't like, put them in the microwave, and you can make some more baits with them. This is a 4.5-inch Bandito bug aluminum cast mold from Bug Molds. I kind of started to like their bug mold aluminum mold. These you can get them. No, the original one. These are $50 each for a cavity, and you can go up to 6 cavities with 1 injection port. Makes it very easy, nice, and simple. It's not expensive per se. They could go up because it's a custom mold. It could go up to like $600-700 of these, but it's pretty cheap. What I'll be using today is going to be some recycled plastic. Nothing stupid. I'll be using some plastic I got from one of my friends that what he fished with and used. I'm just going to be nuking it for about 3 minutes. Okay guys, the plastic's hot. I'll show you. Plastic's hot, you stir it up. We're going to be using recycle again, like I said earlier. We're going to be using recycle. It's a single cavity 4.5-inch Bandito bug. So suck it up. You won't take much plastic at all. This mold takes almost nothing. Push it down. You're good. A little bit of pressure, not much, because I only got 1 clamp on this. But I'm going to leave my head in there so my head warms up, so I don't have to just pull plastic off. This mold is actually pretty nice for a mold. Very easy. Really. Very easy to use. I like it a lot. And if you've seen any of my last few videos, I think you guys like it too. But hope you guys are doing well. We're gonna watch that. We're gonna let that cool off real quick, and then we're gonna pull it out. Hope you guys are doing well. This coronavirus thing, I think it's blowing out of proportion. I work at Walmart though, so I probably have a different opinion than most. There we go, there's number 1. A little bit of flashing up top just because I didn't have enough pressure on it. Still cooling down. You can tell it kind of bends and stretches as I pull it out of the mold. 4.5 inch. Those things are huge. I thought about putting them on the back of wobble heads, and I realized how big they are. You don't realize how big they are when you're trying to put them on a 4-aught hook. Here's the second injection for you guys. Oh yeah, I definitely flashed on that. You should probably use, if you're doing these, you should probably use 2 clamps, not just 1. That's just what I have to deal with at the moment. I'll make 2 of them for you guys and I'll sign off. But I do like this mold. I do recommend do it at Bug Molds. They do a good job. They actually care. I had issues. This one came in 5 months late, but it got lost in shipping. And with this coronavirus, it was in 3 weeks of quarantine. It was a situation it got put into, not the people on it. Texas, the only thing I don't like about this mold, which very minor, how little aluminum's there. So when you inject this, because this is a big body, it's just going to take a lot longer for it to cool down. It makes it so if you're playing around for a hobby, you're just fine. But if you're trying to make it a business, which I would not recommend buying any copyrighted molds to sell, because you can get sued. But if you're going to, I would recommend putting chili slabs from, I think that's Jacob's Baits that make them. The chili slabs that run water through the pad. through. It's just a slab of aluminum they run cold water through. It cools down your molds. You might want to get a system, but it's like $700-800 to get a system. Yeah, I'm gonna pull this tab off. Since I got flashing, I don't really gotta worry about much. Oh yeah, that flashing's horrible. It's clearable. That flashing's not the worst thing I've ever seen. But sorry, you can't see the mold. Not the worst I've ever seen, but we can just clean up those edges for you. Just pretty easy. I don't really need the perfect bait. I'm not selling these, so I can deal with a little bit of flashing. Throw them in the bath. Sorry, my hands were in the way. Throw them in the bath after that. Okay, guys, that's the first one coming out. It's been in there for about 5 minutes now. I just pulled the tab off, as you can see. But I'm gonna put this one on some wobble heads and fish them slow through brush and see how they do. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys the next time. Hit that subscribe button and like this video and tell me what you want to see next.